excretory system in human beings. Activity which is used for building materials is called as anabolism. Activity for breaking down of material is called catabolism. Both are collectively called metabolic activities. Waste products are generated after performing metabolic activities in all living organisms. Excretion is the process which separates and removes waste from our body. Kidneys are acting as excretory organs in the human beings, which eliminates waste from the blood which are present in our body. Kidneys. These kidneys are located lower abdomen, either side of the vertebral column, dorsal side. A pair of kidneys which are connected to a tube-like structure called ureter. The two ureters are joined into the urinary bladder. When bladder filled with urine, it sends out through the urethra. Kidneys are bean shaped, reddish brown in color, and they measures 10 centimeters length, 5 to 6 centimeters breadth, and 4 centimeters thickness. In the lab, we can take a goat kidney and can observe the clear structure both externally and internally. If we do the longitudinal section of kidney, we can observe the clear structure of the kidney. Every day, human beings are excreting 1.6 to 1.8 liters of urine. Elimination of urine is called as micturition. Urge of micturition occurs when the bladder is filled with 300 to 400 ml of urine. Maximum capacity of bladder is 700 to 800 ml. Micturition is mostly voluntary in normal adults, involuntary in aged people and small kids. Yellows of kidney. If you observe the kidney longitudinal section, it consisting of outer convex surface, inner concave surface, and it gave entry for renal artery and exit for renal vein. And outer dark colored cortex, inner light colored medulla can be observed in this kidney. In medulla, 9 to 12 pyramid-like structures can be observed. Those are called calyces. Each pyramid or each calyx consisting of small structures which are called as nephrons. This is the basic structure or basic unit for excretion. And the nephron, if we want to study the nephron, it looks like this and very minute and consisting of so much tubular structure. In humans, 1.3 to 1.8 millions of nephrons are present. Nephron has two parts. One is Malpighian body and another one that is tubular part, otherwise it is called as renal tubule. Malpighian body again consisting of two parts. One is Bowman's capsule and the other one is glomerulus. Bowman's capsule is having cup-like structure. Glomerulus is a network of blood capillary that enters into glomerulus. Renal tubule again divided into three parts. Proximal convoluted tubule, otherwise PCT, Henle's loop, distal convoluted tubule, or else called as DCT. Process of formation of urine. First step is glomerular filtration. First filtration occurs in Malpighian body and is called as primary urine. Primary urine is same as blood in composition except blood cells. Renal artery enters into Bowman capsule as afferent arteriole with more diameter and exit as efferent arteriole which has less diameter. Second step is tubular reabsorption. Peritubular capillary which is present around the PCT will absorb useful things which are present in the primary urine, that is glucose, amino acids, vitamin C and calcium, potassium, sodium chloride and 75% of water. Tubular secretion is the third step. Active secretion of waste products by blood capillaries into urinary tubule like urea, uric acid, creatinine in sodium, potassium and hydrogen will be secreted into DCT. Finally, concentrated urine will be collected into the collecting duct DCT to collecting tube. Here, vasopressin. Vasopressin is the hormone which can control the water amount present in the urine. If it is absent in the body or deficiency of vasopressin leads to a condition called diabetes insipidus. Urine composition: 96% of water, 2.5% of organic substances, 1.5% of inorganic substances are present in the urine, and pH of the urine is 6. That means it is slightly acidic in nature. After reaching 40 years, 10% of nephrons will be degenerated for every 10 years. If kidneys failed completely, that condition is called ESRD. That means end stage renal disorder. Due to this, body filled with water and waste matter, then that condition is called as uremia. Dialysis. It is a process in which machine is used to filter the blood of a patient is called as hemodialysis. Blood is taken from the artery by mixing anticoagulant called heparin and it pumped into the dialyzer which has dialysing fluid. This dialysing fluid is same as plasma except nitrogenous waste. These nitrogenous wastes are removed from the blood and sent into the dialysing fluid by a process called osmosis. Then the purified blood again pumped back into the vein by adding heparin again. Kidney transplantation. Sometimes when the kidney completely failed, then the best long-term solution is kidney transplantation. First kidney transplantation did by Dr. Charles Hufnagel in the year 1954 at Washington, USA. Thanking you.